Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we'll be diving into the world of Afterpay, a popular payment method for online shopping that allows you to buy now and pay later. In this video, we'll show you how to use Afterpay for your online purchases step by step. So let's get started. The first thing you'll need to do is sign up for an Afterpay account. You can do this by visiting their website or downloading the Afterpay app on your smartphone. Once you're there, click on the sign up button and follow the prompts to create your account. Don't worry, it's a quick and straightforward process. After creating your account, you'll need to add your preferred payment method. Afterpay accepts credit and debit cards, so make sure you have one of those ready. Enter your card details, and don't worry, Afterpay's secure encryption will keep your information safe. Now that you have your Afterpay account set up and payment details added, let's go shopping. Visit your favorite online store that accepts Afterpay as a payment option. Once you've found the items you want, add them to your cart as usual. When you're ready to check out, look out for the Afterpay option among the payment methods. Click on it and you'll be redirected to the Afterpay page to complete your purchase. Afterpay allows you to split your total purchase amount into 4 equal installments. The first installment is due at the time of purchase, whilst the remaining 3 will be automatically deducted from your chosen payment method every 2 weeks. Make sure to keep track of your payment dates to avoid any late fees. Congratulations, you've now successfully used Afterpay for your online shopping. Now you can enjoy your new goodies without having to pay the full amount up front. Now before we wrap up, here are a few tips and reminders when using Afterpay. Number 1. Keep an eye on your payment dates to avoid any late fees. Number 2. Make sure you have sufficient funds on your chosen payment method to cover the installments. Number 3. Afterpay is available for many online stores but not all of them. Check if the store accepts Afterpay before you shop. And finally, number 4. Remember, Afterpay is not a credit card. It doesn't charge interest. However, late fees may apply if you miss a payment. And that's a wrap on our guide to using Afterpay for online shopping. It's a fantastic way to shop responsibly and manage your finances wisely. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more useful tips and guides. Happy shopping with Afterpay, and until next time, take care.